if I told you I made over $1,000 in just 7 days using nothing but viral AI side hustles? No coding, no big budget, just smart tools and strategy. In this video, I'll show you exactly what I did, what worked, what flopped, and how you can try it too. Let's dive in. On day one, I researched the most viral AI side hustles people are raving about in 2025. I narrowed it down to 3. 1. Freelancing with chat, blog writing, and product descriptions. 2. Selling digital products on Etsy using Canva plus AI art. 3. YouTube automation with AI scripts and faceless video tools. These had the highest potential with low entry barriers. I set up accounts on Fiverr, Etsy, and YouTube Studio to get ready. Data was all about building. I created a Fiverr gig titled I Will Write SEO blog posts using AI and used Chat to generate samples. For Etsy, I uploaded 3 digital planners made in Canva and added AI art covers from Leonardo AI. And for YouTube automation, I made a 45-second faceless short using Pictory and posted it. By day 3, my Fiverr gig got to messages. One turned into a $30 order. Etsy made a sale for $9. That was $39 in total. Not bad for 48 hours in. Day 4 and 5 were about scaling. I started batching content using Chat for every order. I simply entered the client's prompt into Chat, edited it lightly, and delivered on Etsy. I uploaded for more products and used AI to write descriptions and tags. On YouTube, my short started gaining traction, 3K views in 24 hours. That boosted affiliate link clicks to my recommended AI tools. By the end of day 5, I had made $210 from Fiverr, $87 from Etsy for $100 in affiliate commissions. Total so far, $697. With momentum building, I doubled down. I delivered 6 Fiverr orders in 1 day using Chat and made $300. Etsy had a viral pin on Pinterest and brought in 15 new sales equals $120. But the big winner? YouTube. My video hit to 5K views and brought in over $2. 900 in affiliate commissions thanks to a high-ticket AI course I promoted. Day 7 total, Fiverr. $300 Etsy, $120 affiliate. $2,900 grand total for $1,017 in 7 days. Was it easy? No. Was it worth it? Absolutely. The key wasn't just using AI. It was using the right AI tools the smart way. If you want to try this, start with one hustle, keep your setup simple, and focus on delivery and consistency. I'll link all the tools I used below, plus free templates to get started. Hit that like if this inspired you, and subscribe for weekly AI income experiments. Let's grow together.